Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over the error code 2H on your Maytag washing machine, don't worry, we've got you covered. This error typically pops up when there's an issue with the water heating system, like a faulty heating element, clogged filters, or low water pressure. It can halt your wash cycle, but with a few simple steps, you might fix it right at home. Let's dive in. First things first, safety is crucial. Always unplug your washing machine from the power outlet before you start any troubleshooting to avoid electrical shocks or accidents. Step 1. Check the water inlet hoses. Inspect them for any kinks, blockages, or damage. Straighten them out if needed and ensure water is flowing freely into the machine. This is a common cause for the 2H error. Step 2. Clean the drain pump filter. Over time, lint, coins, or debris can build up here. Locate the filter, usually at the bottom front of the machine, remove it, rinse it underwater, and clear out any gunk before reinstalling it securely. Step 3. Examine the heating element. This might require opening the machine's panel, so if you're not comfortable, skip this and call a pro. Look for any visible damage, corrosion, or burn marks on the element. If it seems faulty, you may need to replace it. Step 4. Reset your washing machine. Sometimes, a simple reboot fixes electronic glitches. Unplug the machine for about 5 minutes, plug it back in, and run a short test cycle to see if the error clears. If none of these steps work, the problem could be more complex, like a defective thermostat or wiring issue. In that case, contact Maytag customer support or a certified technician to avoid further damage. There you have it. Easy steps to tackle error code 2H on your Maytag washer. We hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.